Today, we're diving into the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. First off, the design of the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro has seen a significant change. Gone is the jellybean shape of previous models. Samsung chose an edge stem design instead, which has a unique twist and reminds one of the AirPods Pro 2. The earphones are now simpler to grasp because of their new pointed form, which also looks great. The stems are also useful. You can easily manage playback and volume with their swipe and touch actions. One standout feature of the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro is its real-time translation capability. Imagine traveling in a country where you don't speak the language. With these earbuds, you can have conversations with ease. They can translate foreign languages directly into your ear, making communication seamless. This feature alone sets the Buds 3 Pro apart from many other earbuds on the market. Another noteworthy feature is the adaptive noise cancellation. The Buds 3 Pro can adjust the level of noise cancellation based on your surroundings. Whether you're in a noisy coffee shop or a quiet park, the earbuds will optimize the noise cancellation to enhance your listening experience. Additionally, they can switch to an awareness mode if they detect important sounds like sirens, ensuring you stay aware of your environment. The Galaxy Buds 3 Pro also supports 360 audio, which is perfect for those who enjoy spatial audio recordings or virtual reality experiences. The earbuds deliver 24-bit 96 kHz audio, providing studio-quality sound. They feature a dual driver and dual amplifier system, which separates high and low frequencies for clearer highs and deeper bass. For those who love customizing their audio experience, the Galaxy Wear app includes a 9-band custom EQ. This allows audiophiles to tweak the sound to their liking, something that's not available on many competing earbuds like the AirPods Pro 2. Durability is another strong point of the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. With an IP57 rating for water and dust resistance, these earbuds can handle a bit of dust and even survive being underwater for up to 30 minutes. This makes them suitable for various environments, from the gym to rainy days. Voice detection is a convenient feature that automatically lowers the volume and switches to ambient mode when you start speaking. This means you can have a conversation without having to remove your earbuds. It's a small but significant improvement that enhances everyday usability. Now let's talk about the sound quality. The 24-bit audio support means you get high-resolution sound, closer to what musicians and engineers hear in the studio. The dual driver system ensures that high and low frequencies are distinct, providing a balanced and immersive listening experience. The adaptive noise cancellation and awareness mode further enhance the sound quality by blocking out unwanted noise and letting important sounds through when needed. While the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro has many impressive features, they're not without their drawbacks. Some users have reported a buzzing noise in quiet environments when noise cancellation is active, but no music is playing. Hopefully, this is an issue that Samsung can address with a software update. In terms of colors, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro is available in white and silver. While these are classic choices, it would have been nice to see more vibrant options to match Samsung's colorful lineup of devices. So who are these earbuds for? If you're a Samsung fan who wants top-notch sound and innovative features, the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro is a great choice. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from technology in the future. I appreciate your support, and I'll catch you in the next video.